Guys, good evening. Hari kami makadto sa may concert ni Junila, guys. Muntik kasi nubral na guys, oh.
Di na ka mga apat.
Salamat sa sponsor. Pinaka-importante nga tao, guys. Salamat. Sir, ma'am, thank you gid sa ticket nyo ginatag nyo. Hari kami subong guys sa may sport complex sa Baguio. Ito yung binyang concert ni Junila, guys.
Sa mundo, mga segundo ubusin sa tabi na kulang ang habang buhay sa atin. Bitin ang habang buhay sa akin. At kung ibibintang ko ang pag-ibig sa'yo, ito ay kulay na hindi pa nakita ng mata mo. Tila magbibilang ng akin. Balor may di kayang sutan ko dahil lahat ay mawala na. Handa akong masaktan kung kapalit ang may malaya. Nagkakamahan ka, tunay na pagpusiya, ikaw ang dakilang nasa ba't ako ginawa aking oksina. Pag hindi na makahinga, kung ipahiram ko ng isang araw ang mata ko, malalaman mo sa biro ang tingin ko sa'yo ay kayas para sa akin. Epekto hindi kayang hanapin. Di kailangan ng dahilan para ika'y mahalin hanggang sa mawala ng pagkamaan. Kakilala, di ko halitan kahit lahat ay mawala na. Handa akong masaktan kung kapalit ang may malaya. Nagkakamahan ang tunay na pagpusiya, ikaw ang dakilang nasa pagkata ginawa aking oksina. Pag hindi na makahinga, ang gustong ikawagin, ang gustong ikawagin, ang gustong ikawagin. Alam mo ang gawin, ano wawamin, igagisingin sa puso at nagdantin mitaratinggan ko. Ano ka naman lang ayaw kong ituring yung sarili kong performer ngayong gabi at ayaw kayong ituring na mga audience ngayong gabi. Ngayong gabi magtotropa lang tayo at nagja-jamming tayo hanggang magmadaling araw. Okay ba yun, everybody? Yes, sir. Okay. Para po sa mga hindi nakakilala sa akin, my name is Dionella. Isa po akong singer-songwriter. At para naman po dun sa mga nakakilala sa akin, pwede ba kayong mag-ingay para makita ko kung sino kayo dyan, everybody? Okay! Okay, first question before I proceed. Hindi pa po ba maasim yung mga katabi nyo ngayon, everybody? Smell check, smell check! Kaya pa, kaya pa. Alam nyo, sabi sa akin ng nanay ko, pag mahal mo daw ang isang tao, hindi maasim ang tawag dyan. Guys, dito ko malalaman ko talagang singers kayong lahat, everybody. naman sana. Okay. Ate kayo, no? Lumapit na nang hindi maghawaya. Everybody, come on! 1, 2, alisin na. Ikaw na ang tahanan at ang mundo sa pagbalik. Mananatili na sa piling mo. Do'y magiging ikaw. I promise. Yes, when I was younger, I saw my daddy tried, and as I learned, he broke his own heart as I watched, as he tried to believe. Mama was worried that she would never let herself forget. You know what? And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love as if love don't exist. So, but darling, the only exception, you are. The only exception, you are. The only exception. Sino may kasamang boyfriend, girlfriend? Meron ba? Mga single, meron ba? Everybody, you know this song, come on! This song is called Money Life. Yeah. Running in my non-stop vertigo. Cold blood, whiskey in that teapot. Ethanol, burning like hell, ain't be brave. Heavenly body, only music can define you. And it sounds like this. Yo guys, sa gitna ng madaling araw, as loud as we can, let's jam everybody! Come on! Looking about when the goose following the checkpoint like schools. Calling sa mga palagi ang may tuluhiya sa'yo maaari. Sorry, you don't need no makeup. Brown eye, check, no side, goodies dead. Pretty, pretty lady, big bad, doesn't make sense. I say, God, come on. Ang himalay sa iyo, fake, I meant from your lips, babe. Music to my hips, give me someplace okay. Cause you on my Friday, reason to get my things alive every part of the girl. Can we slow down? You're out when I miss a thing. Ibigin kay drama sa teatro, puwiling itato. Bawat kiss ng kamate, kawalan ko. When you're so bright, I check, baby, pretty, pretty lady. Come on, everybody, bust out this shit, yeah. Jersey. Come on, my boy, kill it. Hey.
You know how I feel about you, right? Pretty lady, that how I pretty fucking do right, move right. We can make love in the moonlight, blaze up till the day comes in a room like Miss Independent. Mission is pending, no ill intentions, just spilled confessions. You feel the tension, cause you're real, like I feel your presence. You gotta hear the essence, Got your own grind, I got mine. You work most days, long nights, we got time to lay down for you. Break it down to the ground, for the baby girl, I'm proud of you. Bad to the bone, handle the road, back in the past, the moment, back to the bone, to the back, come on, back in the zone, both hands to the floor. It's a romantic show. If I could paint a perfect picture, a perfect figure, for a souvenir like a symphony. No doubt she's a masterpiece. Nobody that color you beautiful. You're one of a kind, like a miracle. Hindi ka pagkano hanggang huling araw. Maging kabilang buhay ko ay ikaw. No one ever fell in love, baby, you know the pain is unbearable. There's no way, minsan ay ikinabata. Pinipiling may salamaka. It's in my lyrics and so I portray the way behind this. Pinipiling kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Treat you like a passion, oh my life. Sa tingin mo na ang oras may lumipas na, patuloy na mararahulo sa ganda. At sa you haven't said goodbye, oh my life. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, everybody! We ain't done yet, you know what? Lahat kayo Yo, I have a gift for you. My brother on drums. Eyes on the drums. Come on, my boy. Keep on going, my boy. Come on. Come on, jump out, come on. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a good night. Ladies and gentlemen, Bago City, what an experience! Can we all make some noise one more time for Dianella? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is all of you, each and every one of you, for being part of this. It has been such an amazing night. It has been such an amazing week. We would like to thank, of course, the Bago City LGU and
So guys, tapos naman daw kay Dayonela guys. May pamahaw pa kami. Kita kami 100 guys. Dito na natubang ng Angels. Angels. Ha? Salamat sa naghatag.